Hi students, so today we are going to see electronic signals types. Contents of today's presentation are what is signal, then various types of signal we are going to see. Now let's see what is meant by signals. Signals are variables that carry information. It is described as a function of one or more independent variable. So basically signal means it carries some information. So it is a function of one or more independent variables. It is a physical quantity. It varies with some independent or dependent variable. Signals can be one dimensional or multidimensional. Then a function of one or more variable that convey information on the nature of physical phenomena, that is called as signal. Example, so there are variables like v of t, I of t, x of t, then heartbeat, blood pressure, temperature, vibration. So we get signal of these things. So one dimensional signals, so it is a function depend upon a single variable, that is speech signal. So we get a single variable. Multidimensional signals, then function depends upon two or more variables, that is image. So it depends upon, image depends upon two or more variables. Then classification of signals. Continuous time and discrete time signals, then periodic and non-periodic signals, then casual and non-casual signals, then deterministic and random signals, and odd and even signals. Now let's see first type, continuous time and discrete time signals. A continuous time signal is a function that is continuous, meaning there are no breaks in the signal. For all real values of t, you will get a value. So for all real values of time, you will get a value, that is continuous signal. So f of t, that is the continuous signal. A discrete signal, discrete time signal is a signal whose value is taken at a discrete measurement. With a discrete time signal, there will be time periods of n where you do not have a value. So we don't get uniform signal here. So at some point of time there will be no value of the signal. Discrete signals are represented using the form x of n. Then discrete signals are approximation of continuous time signals. Then next type is periodic and non-periodic signals. So periodic signals have the property that x of t plus t is equal to xt for all t, that is for all time. The smallest value of t that satisfies the definition is called as period. Shown below are non-periodic signal and periodic signal. So you can see in the figure. So here you can see in figure A, you can see the graph of frequency versus level. This is the spectrum and this is the waveform of signal. So a periodic signal repeats after a fixed time and has a simple spectrum consisting of fundamental plus harmonics. Okay, so this is the spectrum and it repeats after a fixed time. The figure B, and a periodic signal such as noise does not repeat and has a continuous spectrum. So you can see here. So for non-periodic, like example is noise, so you will get a continuous spectrum, but the waveform would be like this. And for C, a transient contains an unharmonic spectrum. Okay, so that is the example. So there are three different examples are there. Then next type is causal and non-causal signals. A causal signal is 0 for t time less than 0 and a non-causal signal is 0 for time greater than 0. So you can see here, in case of causal signal you can see here, and this is the non-causal signal. This is the non-causal signal and this is the causal signal. Next type of signal is deterministic and random signals. So in case of deterministic signals, the behavior of this signal is predictable with respect to time. That is deterministic signals. In case of deterministic signals, there is no uncertainty with respect to its value at any time. So there is no uncertainty. These signals can be expressed mathematically. For example, x of t is equal to sine of 3t. That is a deterministic signal. So we know that they are going to occur. That means they are predictable with respect to time. So you can see here the difference between these deterministic and non-deterministic signals. Non-deterministic or random signals. Then random signals, behavior of these signals is random, that is non-predictable with respect to time. So they are not predictable here. You can see this. There is an uncertainty with respect to its value at any time. These signals can be expressed mathematically. For example, thermal noise generated in a non-deterministic signal. This is the example. And then last type, even and odd signal. So one of the characteristics of signal is symmetry that may be useful for signal analysis. Even signals are symmetric around vertical axis and odd signals are symmetric about origin. In case of even signal, a signal is referred to as an even if it is identical to its time reserved counterparts. Odd signals, a signal is odd if, you can see in the expression, in case of odd signals must be 0 at time equal to 0. In other words, odd signal passes the origin. So here you can see in the figure this is the even signal and this is the odd signal. So friends, we have seen various classification of signals like continuous signals, continuous time, discrete type signals, periodic and non-periodic signals, casual and non-casual signals, deterministic and random signals, even and odd signals. So these are the various types or classification you can say of the signals. So thank you for from my side. Thank you.